The Bricklin SV-1, Safety Vehicle 1, was a unique Canadian-built sports car produced between 1974 and 1976. Its founder, Malcolm Bricklin, had already made a name by importing Subaru cars into the United States. He launched the SV-1 with the goal of creating the safest sports car on the North American market, featuring an integrated roll cage, 5 miles per hour energy-absorbing bumpers, and signature Gullwing doors. The idea was born in 1971 when Bricklin founded General Vehicle Incorporated in Scottsdale, Arizona. Attracting the support of New Brunswick Premier Richard Hatfield, Bricklin secured millions in government funding and opened a manufacturing facility in St. John, Canada. The composite body, made from color-impregnated acrylic bonded to fiberglass, was revolutionary but deeply flawed. Panels cracked under temperature changes and ultraviolet exposure degraded the bonding, leading to high production waste rates. The first prototypes were built with AMC's 360 cubic inches V8, producing 220 horsepower. Transmission options included a 3-speed automatic and a 4-speed manual. In 1975, the engine switched to Ford's 351 Windsor V8 with only a 3-speed automatic, requiring subframe modifications. Despite its sporty look, the car was heavy and underperformed. The hydraulic Gullwing doors, weighing 90 pounds each, took up to 12 seconds to operate and were prone to failure, especially in hot climates. The car lacked ashtrays, cigarette lighters, and a spare tire, reflecting Bricklin's vision of a distraction-free, safety-first driving experience. Though initial reception was enthusiastic, with over 4,000 early orders and 247 dealerships, quality issues, poor assembly, and escalating prices, rising from $7,409 to nearly $10,000, killed momentum. By 1975, the company entered receivership, leaving the province of New Brunswick with nearly $20 million in losses. A total of about 2,900 units were produced, with some later completed by Consolidated Motors and sold as 1976 models. The Bricklin SV-1's legacy endures through clubs like Bricklin International and commemorative items like a Canadian 45-cent stamp and a $20 silver coin. Despite the failure, the SV-1 remains a bold experiment in automotive safety and design. Malcolm Bricklin would go on to import the Yugo and attempt new ventures, including visionary vehicles, reflecting his enduring ambition to build the perfect car.